Honey, do you think it's time we get an electric car?
Electric? Serious? Our car works just fine. Why would I want one of those?
I don't know. I see more and more people driving them. And they're just so clean and quiet, and they really have power.
This car has all the power we need. Plus, we can drive it around the island and not have to worry about finding a place to plug it in. Plus, we can take her around the island with a few bales of hay and not have to worry about where to get gasoline.
But darling, the automobiles are so modern and powerful.
But trusty Kahiko here is 1 horsepower. What more will we need? And who knows how those strange automobile contraptions work? Trust me, you're gonna be glad that we held on to this faithful car. Those things aren't gonna catch on.
Those things are never gonna catch on.
Don't be a horse car man. Make your next car electric.
Atta girl!